Good day guys, and you're watching Ride TV, my YouTube channel. For today's vlog guys, ay share ko lang yung naobserbahan ko sa aking nasampahan na barko ngayon, which is ang aming escape trunk ay meron na siyang kasamang inflatable life vest, which is usually ang kasama sa loob ng escape trunk ay only ang full body safety harness and rope and pulley. Now may kasama siyang inflatable life jacket. So just sharing guys, what do you think? Since may kasama rin siyang mga emergency light, and yan, kapapalit ko lang ng mga ilaw. So yun lang ang aking naobserbahan guys. Since isang deficiency rin ang mga walang ilaw sa ating mga escape trunk, kaya dapat natin din itong tandaan na check-in. And comment naman guys if you have something in mind or suggestions. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos guys. Thank you.